Did you know that over 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, struggling to build wealth despite working hard? But what if I told you that the difference between financial struggle and financial success comes down to just a few simple rules? Stay with me, because today, I'm breaking down 10 genius personal finance rules you must know to build wealth. Let's get started. Rule number 1: pay yourself first. Before paying bills or spending on anything else, set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments. Think of it this way: you are your most important bill. The easiest way? Automate savings so a percentage of your paycheck goes directly into a high-yield savings account or investment portfolio. This simple habit separates those who struggle financially from those who achieve financial freedom. Rule number 2: live below your means. Sounds simple, right? But in a world of social media flexing, it's easy to overspend to keep up. The wealthiest people aren't the ones flashing designer brands, they're the ones quietly investing their money while others are spending recklessly. Cut unnecessary expenses, track your spending, and prioritize needs over wants. That's how real wealth is built. Rule number 3: the 50-30-20 rule. A great way to manage your money is the 50-30-20 rule: 50% of your income for essentials, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. This structure helps maintain financial balance while still allowing you to enjoy life. Want to fast-track your wealth? Flip the formula: spend 30% and invest 50%. Rule number 4: avoid bad debt. Not all debt is bad, but high-interest debt, like credit cards, can destroy your financial future. The golden rule? If you can't pay it off in full by the due date, think twice before swiping. If you're already in debt, use the snowball or avalanche method to pay it off faster. Debt-free means financial freedom. Rule number 5: invest early and consistently. The best time to start investing? Yesterday. The second best time? Right now. Thanks to compound interest, the earlier you invest, the greater your returns. Just imagine you invest $200 a month starting at age 25, and by retirement, you have over $500,000 without lifting a finger. The key is consistency, even if you start small. Rule number 6: diversify your income streams. Want to build real wealth? Don't rely on just one income source. The average millionaire has at least 7 income streams, including investments, side hustles, rental income, and more. Start building multiple income streams today. Rule number 7: track and audit your finances. If you don't track your money, you'll never know where it's going. Review your finances weekly, set goals, and adjust your budget accordingly. Apps like Mint and YinApp can help you stay on top of your money. Knowledge is power. Rule number 8: emergency fund is a must. Financial security starts with an emergency fund. Aim for 3-6 months of living expenses saved in a liquid account. This ensures you're covered for unexpected expenses, like medical bills or job loss, without falling into debt. Rule number 9: master the art of negotiation. Did you know that simply negotiating your salary can boost your lifetime earnings by hundreds of thousands of dollars? The same goes for rent, bills, and even subscriptions. Never accept the first offer, negotiate everything. Rule number 10: keep learning about money. The final rule: never stop learning about money. The financial world is always evolving, and the more you educate yourself, the more wealth you can build. Read books, follow finance experts, and keep improving your financial literacy. And there you have it: 10 genius personal finance rules that will transform your financial future. Which one resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss valuable